Hey guys, Matt here. Today I thought I'd just make this random video of me comparing these $35 remote control car wheels compared to the under $150 car wheels. I forgot what the price of this car was, but these wheels came with this car, and then these came with the $35 remote control car. I'm gonna switch these wheels on the car and see how they drift. It's starting to rain, so I gotta make this quick. So we're just gonna put in the battery and see how the $150 car wheels drift, and then we'll compare them against the other ones, the $35 ones. Just plug that in. Turn the remote on first, and then turn on the ESC. Okay. So I'm not going to really bother putting on the pins for the car because I'm just drifting a short amount of time. So that's how the $150 car wheels drift. Now we're going to see how the $35 car wheels drift. Okay, so I got the $35 remote control car wheels on. They're quite low profile. Oop. Oh, got the wheels back on. So we'll just try that again. It seems to not drift very well at full throttle. It loses a bit of, I don't know what the word is, but you can't turn as easily. I'll show you. Oh. So of course the $150 wheels are the better ones, but I thought it just might be an interesting experiment to try. Just a good video to make because I'm bored, really. Thanks for watching.